All right, so the way you got to look at it, vectors have direction. So they have size, how far you're going. So that size, how far I'm going, and direction. Now, what you got to remember at GCSE, right? Direction is given in a number of different ways. One is if something is positive, and if something is positive, so let's say my direction is positive A. All right, so we can see here the direction is positive A from there to there. Does that make sense? Now, if it's negative, all you're doing is changing direction. So negative changes direction. Is that all right? So if I've got negative A and I'm going to change colour, I am going from here to there because it's the opposite direction. Is that all right? All right, so first question says, let's change colour to blue. It says, write down in terms of A and B, A to O. All right? Yeah. And by pure chance, we've got minus A because it's going the opposite direction. Then we want O to M. All right? So O to M, I'm just going to get rid of that red line there just to make some. Yeah, so that's half B. And the last one is A to M. All right, so this is, so if I think about it, I've got from A to B to M. That's one way of doing it. All right? So all I'm doing is I'm going from A to M, and there's two ways of getting there. The other way, and this is what I'm doing red, is start from A and go down here and back to B. All right? So you got two different ways of getting from A to M. Which way do you want to do it? Do you want to do it the blue way or the red way? Yeah, it would be. So we already know that A to O is minus A. All right? And O to M is half B plus half B. And that's it, you're done. There's no need to simplify any of that. Right? But I don't like that. And the reason I don't like it, I've got this minus sticking out here and it doesn't look right to my brain. I would rather have half B minus A. Is that okay? No. No. But you can see it how I might choose to write it in an exam question. Right? So it doesn't matter, but it also shows you how it can be written in a different way and it can look completely different. Is that all right?